On June 9, 2016, the US Supreme Court issued a major ruling in a case called Puerto Rico versus Sanchez Valle. The case focused on the double jeopardy clause, but the court's decision went far beyond criminal law. It addressed a much bigger constitutional question: who ultimately holds power over Puerto Rico? The Supreme Court said that despite having its own constitution and elected government, Puerto Rico is not a separate sovereign like US states are. States have their own inherent sovereignty under the Constitution. Puerto Rico, the court said, does not. Instead, Puerto Rico's governing authority ultimately comes from Congress under the territorial clause of the US Constitution. In other words, Puerto Rico's local government exercises power that Congress allows it to exercise, not powers that originate directly from the people of Puerto Rico in the same constitutional way a state's powers do. The ruling directly challenged the long-promoted idea that Puerto Rico had evolved into a fully autonomous political entity, a so-called Commonwealth, with sovereignty separate from the federal government. The court made clear that under the Constitution, Puerto Rico remains a territory and that its local government continues to be subordinated to the broad constitutional authority of Congress and the federal government. So join us. Go to pr51st.com, click Take Action, and be part of the movement.